Perched at the hill of Maulai in Shillong, Don Bosco Museum of Indigenous Cultures at Don Bosco Center for Indigenous Cultures is Asia's largest museum of indigenous cultures of its kind. Here, the visitor can have an overview of the whole of the Northeast India. Raising into Shillong's skyline, the museum is a 7-story building with 21 well-laid-out galleries of international standard containing artifacts, paintings, fiberglass, figures, all a feast to the eye and source of knowledge. The museum has various galleries presenting the 8 states of Northeast India in one roof. It has a great collection of artifacts that include fiberglass models, paintings, a delight to the eyes. Don Bosco Museum of Indigenous Cultures boasts of Don Bosco Museum research on publications and a source of knowledge on cultures using seminars, DVDs, and multimedia.
We are so happy that plenty of children are coming. Well, the museum is a 7-floor building, and we have about 21 galleries, and each gallery showcases one aspect or other of the various indigenous peoples of the Northeast. The gallery which I like most is the musical instruments gallery, where you see in musical instruments, traditional musical instruments of the various groups of the Northeast, and I am happy to know that music is in the blood of our tribal people.
I find that this is very informative. Everything is informative and nicely and displayed. And for the youngsters like came along with me, children's, it gives total information related to the Northeastern culture. Besides this, even the moral values depicted, and the religious and the cultural particular religious gallery displaying all the different cultures of the India, and moreover the information related to the tribal culture, it is well displayed over there, and from there only we can easily come to know about the traditional culture and what are the different tribes staying over here in the northern eastern culture, and moreover for the children part, the origin of the human beings, the Homo sapiens, the evolution, that is also very nicely displayed over there.